It could be months before the state attorney general determines whether a Utica police officer's deadly shooting of a 13-year-old was justified.
A long wait for both the teen's grieving family and the officer and his family, knowing investigators could rule out or consider charges. Anytime someone armed or dangerous dies during interaction with police, state law requires the Attorney General's Office of Special Investigations to determine whether the officer's actions or failure to act were justified. The office either takes evidence into a grand jury seeking an indictment against the officer or issues a public report explaining why no charges are warranted. The report often includes ways police could have better de-escalated.
Now, these reviews can take longer than a year. As we said, News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan takes us through the cases still open involving Central New York police.
At age 13, Niam Wei is the youngest death ever investigated by the State Attorney General's Office of Special Investigations.
Can I just pat you down?
The Bureau of Attorneys and Detectives will determine whether the involved Utica police officers who thought the teen had a real gun were justified, including the one who fired the single deadly shot. Since it was established in 2021, the office has completed 50 investigations statewide. But at this moment, 70 cases remain open. Utica's makes 6 active cases in Central New York, 5 in Onondaga County. Some aren't shootings, like the man on a scooter hit by a Syracuse police cruiser, or a DeWitt officer running over a man lying in the road. 2 are shootings, the highest profile. 1, the returned fire at Christopher Murphy, the man killed by police after he murdered 2 officers. The other case is a sheriff's deputy shooting into a stolen car, killing 2 teens inside, Dal Lapet and Lueth Mo.
He had nowhere to flee to. This whole thing happens in seconds. He had no options.
These take several months to beyond a year, so departments in Onondaga County are still waiting for results, whether its officers and deputies are cleared of wrongdoing in 5 cases. Now the Utica chief and his officers have a similar wait.
It was one shot, it was me.
Whether they're found to be justified in this or not, it's going to take a toll on them for the next 9 months to a year till they finally get an answer.
Already aware the toll it's taking on the teen's grieving family. They'll be the first to hear of the Attorney General's decision. In Syracuse, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.
Of the 70 pending cases, the Attorney General's Office of Special Investigations also has 2 in Ontario County involving state police, county sheriff, and Canandaigua police.